What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy chicken crock pot recipe. You're gonna love it. All you gotta do is put all your things in there, dump it, and go. Go shopping, go to work, go to school, doesn't matter. You're gonna come home, dinner's gonna be ready. Let me show you how to make it. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do is peel our carrots and wash our potatoes, and then we are just going to chop them up and get them into this bowl right here. This is where we're going to put all of our chopped up vegetables before we get them in the crock pot. So I ended up running out of the Yukon Gold, so I saw that I had a russet potato in the fridge, so I just grabbed that and tossed that in there as well. It really doesn't matter for this recipe, so just use whatever potatoes you have. We're also going to need to add some onions to this dish. I cut mine into really big chunks just because my husband hates onions, so it makes it a lot easier to sift them out. After that, I crushed up some garlic, and this adds amazing flavor to this dish, so definitely don't skip this step. Before I actually get my chicken into the crock pot, I like to pat it dry, and by dry, I mean really dry, because I want it to have a really nice golden brown sear on it before I get it into the crock pot. And this is mainly because I don't like that weird soggy chicken skin after it's been in the crock pot for a while. And then I also make these slits on the skin so it has a nice even browning from the sear, and it also allows for more flavor to get into the meat once it's in the crock pot. And right here I'm just going to go in with a little bit of salt and pepper, nothing crazy, just because we are going to be adding in more flavors later on, so we do not want to overdo it. So before I actually added this olive oil, I let my pan sit on a nice high heat for about 5 minutes. The main reason is because I wanted the pan to be nice and hot, evenly distributed with heat, just so I could get the perfect golden brown sear on my chicken. Next, we're going to be making kind of like a chicken broth sort of thing. So I have here 1 cup of warm water and I added in 1 tablespoon of flour. Mix that all together, get the chunks out, And then I added in 1 tablespoon of Better Than Bouillon chicken paste. And again, I just get that all mixed up in the mixture, nice, even. We don't want any chunks. And then I'm just going to pour that all over everything once it's in the crock pot. So right here, I'm just adding in some oregano and some garlic powder. For measuring purposes, I would say that it's about 1/2 tablespoon of each. And I'm just mixing them around just so all the flavors could kind of like, get to know each other. And then I go in with some pepper, crushed ground fresh pepper. And then I don't add in any salt, mainly because the Better Than Bouillon is already pretty salty on its own, so you really don't need to add in any extra salt. Alright guys, so I ended up adding about another 1.5 cups of water along with 1 more tablespoon of the Better Than Bouillon into my whole crock pot situation over here. It was looking a little bit dry, so I just wanted to add a little bit more water, get everything like mixed up, and now I'm just gonna let it cook some more. Let me show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so it's all done and it looks beautiful. Hold on, let me focus on that. Oh my gosh. I wish you guys could smell this right now. I'm gonna try. Potato. Look at that. Cooked perfectly. And it's not like dry or anything, even though it's the breast and usually it tends to be a little drier. Not dry at all. I'm gonna try an onion and a carrot. My dog is like begging for this right now. Well, let me show you. King, you hungry? Oh my gosh. Anyway, I hope that you guys like this recipe. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this recipe. And be sure to let me know down in the comments below if you are planning on trying this recipe. And if you do, let me know how you like it. And I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye.